If you are using an old laptop or PC that has become slow, or if your system is no longer receiving updates, this video is to help you out. With support for older versions of Windows ending, many devices are now insecure and outdated. But instead of throwing away your old computer, you can give it a new life by installing ChromeOS Flex. It's a free operating system from Google that is lightweight, fast, and perfect for web browsing, online work, emails, YouTube, and cloud-based tasks. In this video, I'll show you how to install ChromeOS Flex step by step using a USB drive. So, let's get started. First, open any web browser on a working computer and go to the official ChromeOS Flex website, chromeos.google. You'll find the direct link in the video description to save time. Once the page opens, click on Products and then select ChromeOS Flex. Here, click on Try ChromeOS Flex. Scroll down a little and click on the Click Here link. This will take you to the official page where Google explains how ChromeOS Flex works and which devices are supported. Your system should have an Intel or AMD 64-bit processor, at least 4GB of RAM, and 16GB of internal storage. You must be able to boot from a USB drive. Very old hardware, especially system made before 2010, may give poor performance, and some old Intel graphics like GMF 500 or 600 are not supported. Here, you'll see an option called Certified Models List. Click on it to check whether your laptop or PC is officially tested by Google. You can search for your device brand like Dell, HP, Lenovo or Acer and then find your exact model number. In my case, I'm using a Dell Optiplex 7060 mini PC and it's officially supported until the year 2028. Now, even if your device is not listed, don't worry. ChromeOS Flex works on many unsupported devices as well. The only difference is that some features like Bluetooth, touchscreen may not work perfectly on untested hardware. If you are okay with that, you can continue. Go back to the guide page. You'll need a USB drive of at least 8GB. Keep in mind that everything on this USB will be erased. Click on a Create USB installer. Then create Chrome Web Store. Google recommends using the Chrome Recovery utility, which is available as a Chrome extension. Make sure you are using the Google Chrome browser. Click Add to Chrome. Once installed, click on the extension icon in the top left corner and open the Recovery utility. Inside the utility, click on the gear icon and select Erase Recovery Media. Choose your USB drive and erase it. This prepares the USB properly. When it's done, click Create Another. Now, click Get Started. Click Select a model from a list. For manufacturer, select Google ChromeOS Flex. For the product, choose ChromeOS Flex. Click Continue. Select your USB drive and then click Create New. The tool will now download ChromeOS Flex and write it to the USB. This can take 10 to 30 minutes depending on your internet speed. Once it says Success, your bootable USB is ready. Now, insert the USB drive into the laptop or PC where you want to install ChromeOS Flex. Restart the system and open the boot menu. From the boot menu, select your USB drive and press Enter. Your system will now boot into ChromeOS Flex. On the welcome screen, click Get Started. You will see two options. You can try ChromeOS Flex without installing, or you can install it permanently. To install it, click on Install ChromeOS Flex, then click Next. You will see a warning that all the data on your internal drive will be erased. If you have important files, make sure you have backed them up. If everything is ready, confirm the installation. The installation process usually takes 5 to 10 minutes. Once completed, remove the USB drive and let the system reboot. After rebooting, You'll see the Windows screen again. Click on Get Started. If your PC has a Wi-Fi card, you can connect to a wireless network here. In my case, I don't have Wi-Fi, so I'll connect to an Ethernet cable instead. Choose how you want to use the device. You can select personal use, work, or child. After that, the system may download and install the latest updates, so wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Let the system finish updates. You can either choose Browse as Guest if you want to test ChromeOS Flex, or sign in with your Google account if you plan to use this operating system permanently. Accept the terms. Then create a sign-in PIN or password for your PC. Then just keep clicking Next to complete the rest of the setup. That's it. You have successfully installed ChromeOS on your old PC or laptop. Your system should now feel faster, cleaner, and more secure, especially for daily routine tasks. ChromeOS Flex boots quickly, updates automatically, and works great with Google Drive and cloud apps. If this video helped you revive your old computer, like the video, subscribe to Techy Druid, and share it with someone who has an old laptop lying around. If you face any issues during installation, drop a comment below with your device model and I'll try to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.